So hello everyone, I am Samir and today we will be solving this requirement that you can see on the screen. So first understand the requirement. Like we have to complete this trigger and if we'll see our org, we have a account object and in that there is a field named annual revenue. So the requirement is that if the annual revenue is greater than 5 lakhs, then set rating is hot. Like we have rating field here rating here. So if the annual revenue will be greater than 5 lakhs, then the rating will be hot. Otherwise, the rating will be automatically will be the code. So this is how what we have to achieve through our trigger. So when an account is inserted or updated, this is also a requirement. So let's do it. So we have a account trigger and in that we'll be writing the trigger logic. So for now I'm just I think I can just skip this. Yeah, like this was the like previous code that I have did just before. So now let's complete this requirement. Now the first thing that I have to write is we have to write the before insert and before update. So it is already we are passing in the trigger and we can ignore this for now because we are not required. So if trigger that is insert and trigger dot is update and this should okay we can pass this into the or we can write like trigger dot is before because we have to update the fields of the same object, so we have to just use the is before and we'll be using here and so that this and any one of this should be true, then only we are going to perform that operation. So this is the simple logic that I have written, and for now we are going to call that account trigger handler and dot set rating. Suppose this is the function that I'm assuming that it is written and I am passing trigger dot new. So this is the basic thing that we have did, and we are passing the trigger dot new whatever the context variable that we are getting, and it will be not safe because it will tell you that this thing is not account trigger handler method does not exist, this set rating is not created yet, so it will be not saved right now. So first we'll be creating public static void and the same name will be creating the method set rating, and in that rating what we are getting trigger.new. So trigger.new is a list of account record that we are getting, and in that trigger.new list of account, let's name this variable as acc list, and now it will be saved, and now it will be also saved because now we have created that method, and I don't think there will be any problem here. So now acc list is coming here. Now uh, let's set the one validation that if ACC list is not equal to null and not of ACC list dot is empty. So this we are just checking that ACC list must not be the null and it should not be the empty. So we are just applying that logic for now. And again, in that, if the ACC list we have received, so what we have to do is we have to check that field. See here, we have to check that annual revenue. So if so, for now we have to use a one loop here, like for the iteration of every single record in that account list that we are getting ACC list, and in that ACC what we are going to do is see dot annual revenue. So SCC dot if ACC dot annual revenue. So whatever the annual revenue, if it is greater than 5,000, not 50, 5 lakhs. So if this happens, ACC dot rating is equal to what should be? This should be hot. Otherwise, else ACC dot rating is equal to cold. So this was the simple logic that we are applying here. After this, this loop will be ended and every data will be like updated according to our requirement that we need. So we just save this. Trigger handler is saved and account trigger is already saved. So there is no any error, no any problem. So we can just check now. Like suppose we are going to see this test name 6. There is an account, and if I will just write the annual revenue to be 1 2 see it's greater than our requirement, so just save this. It is saved and now rating is already hot. So this is done by our trigger. And let's check for the another case, like if I'm just passing something, the annual revenue is smaller than the given value, so it is coming cold. So we have completed the requirement, like whenever the annual revenue is inserted or updated, we have checked for the updated. Let's check for the inserted, like just create a new record, account record. So let's say account name is test of requirement 1, and uh, we don't have to select the rating. So we are just trying to fill the annual rating, and let's save this. If there will be no any required field, so it will be saved. Yeah, it is saved. So after saving this, we can see simply in a detail section, the rating is already hot. So why this happened? Because our trigger work, the before trigger work, and this requirement is fulfilled. So hope you liked and understood what the concept of the trigger before trigger is. So see you in the next video.